Maryland. West winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts of 50 to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? The District of Columbia, Central, North Central, Northeast, Northern, and Southern Maryland, and Northern and Northwest Virginia. Wind from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Sunday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Additional details. The strongest wind gusts are expected Saturday afternoon into Sunday evening. Wind gusts of 40 to 60 miles per hour can linger at times through Monday. Remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm.
It's gonna probably be doubleheader.
Watch for falling debris and tree limbs. Use caution if you must drive. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island.